to my channel. What's up? Rashi. So today we are going to continue with the part 3 of daily work. Last time we had done 10 figures only. Today we are going to do some figures which are related to cooking, and it is the work done by women in the daily work. So let's get started. The materials are only the permanent marker, pen or pencil. So let's begin. So first, the first figure is how to make a woman cooking food. So same way, first you need to make a woman like this. Her legs should be in different position. So first like this, and the hand like this. Sorry, the legs. Yeah. And then one leg like this, and like this. After that, her hand should be a little bit like this and something like this. Then one hand here. And you can put some bangles also, like curve. And then the utensil for cooking. It should not be much bigger than the woman. And then the fire, the stones, and the wood. This is the wood, so you can place it anywhere, but the wood should be there. It is an important resource for the fire. So this is the wood, and then you can show that it is burning. So this is the cooking with a woman. So you can put some spoon-like structure here, which shows that she is cooking food. Then the next one we are going to make is a woman burning the fire. So same way you need to make the woman. Her legs are much different, like this, and this leg should be like this, 1 and 2. And next, her hands, one should be like this, and next one should be like this. In her hand, one stick should be there, and then a big pot should be there. So the pot should be like this. It should be like this. And then the stones, same way like we have done here. The wood should be there, and then the stick should be a little bit long, and she is firing the pot. And then you can put some vapors coming from the food. The next one we are going to see is be like this. So one leg here and one leg here. So she's sitting, and both the hands also should be like this, one hand here and one hand here. And then close to her legs there should be a container kind of. It should be like this, and a long stick spoon like structure should be like this, and in her hand a spoon should be there. And next the grains are coming out. You can make something here inside that also. So this is the grains. It is shabby, but you can clean it. Okay. Then we are going to see the next. That is a woman. Sorry, a man. Now you take a man. Putting something inside the pot. So both the hands should be like this. You can put 2 pots, one here, or else only 1 pot, and in his hand there should be like this, and grains. So the grain is coming out and coming into the pot. And you can design the pot also like this. And next we are going to see is a man taking water from the well. So the legs in the normal way you're going to make it. The leg should be like this, and the well should be here. It should be a little bit far. So well width should be a little bit more like this, and it should be in a circular way like this. Inside one more circular way, and then you can make the bricks. So this is a well kind of, and you can make the stairs kind of like this. And the man's hand should be like this, and one more hand should be like this. So he is holding the rope, and you can make like this, and a pot kind of, or a container kind of. So this is the container. So the man is taking water from the well. And this was the last part. We have a fast recap. We had learned 15 figures in the daily work. There are much more. You can explore it on my channel. So these were the figures. This is much of cooking work only done, and this is the well work. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.